Hi everyone, welcome to the video tutorial for the IRC meeting 2020 online. In the information mail, you received the link to the Whova desktop web platform. So let's click on it. We click on it and we end up here. So here you need to sign up in Whova. If you took part in previous events, you probably already have a Whova account. If you forgot your password, you can ask for it. Otherwise, you can sign up here. Please remember that you need to use the email you use to subscribe to this event. Let's sign in. This is the platform where the event, let's say, will take place. The most important place is here on the left menu. It's the agenda. Here it is. So here you find the agenda with all the lists of the sessions divided according to the day. So let's go on Thursday at 2:45 with AC Talk 1. If you click on it, you will have some details about the sessions, the speakers, the abstract that I advise you to read in advance, and then you have the most important thing of all, the Zoom link. It's by clicking on this link that you will get into the session. So all the sessions are organized in the same way. For example, you see on Friday, AC Talk 3, same with Zoom link here. But then there are also some sessions which are a bit more difficult to find, are the parallel sessions, because to find them, you need to click on sub-sessions. So you click on them, and you see here the list of the sessions happening in parallel. To get the link, it's very simple, same principle. You click on the title, you get the description, you get the abstract, you get even the documents if there are any documents attached to support the session, and then you have the link. You just click on it and you are in the session. Another important feature for this year is the community section here, always in the left menu. If you click on it, you end up with several, let's say, options, but I would like to highlight today the virtual meets. If you click on it, you can either suggest a meet, of course, a virtual meet, you post, and you select where you want to have it. In the Whova virtual room, in that case, you don't need the host. If you want host on your Zoom account, you can post a Zoom link. You need to enter a title, a description, date, time zone, and submit. And then you can invite the colleagues you want to have a meeting with. We already set up several informal meetings for you to join. One is before the conference. It's the same time as the newcomer session. So if you are not a newcomer, but you still want to chit chat with the other IRCs, you can join this session. There will be Jan, Gerd, and Esther for the IRC working group to welcome you. You can chat with them for an hour. Then, at the end of the conference, in the afternoon of the Friday, you can join the working group in 3 different, let's say, virtual rooms. For example, you can join Jan, Gerd, and Frauke, and you do it by clicking on the session. So, community, meetups, and you have the list of meetup. You click on the meetup you want to join, and I join the meeting room. So I get this message, but then I can join the meeting. And I'm there. And I can also put it in full screen view by clicking here, you see. It's a bit hidden, but it's there, full screen. And then ask to exit full screen view. Very important, this function doesn't work very well on a desktop. So in order to avoid problem, I would suggest you to use it on the Whova app, so to do these virtual meetings on your phone. We we advised you to download Zoom for clients, so you can go on the website of Zoom, download the first one. Then on the same web page, you can sign up if you don't have an account, or sign in if you have already an account like me. You can put your email password, or you can sign up with your Google account. And then you can change your settings in profile. You can, for example, edit the name in this way. So you have first name, last name, city and country. You do it by clicking on edit and then saving changes. And then if you click here on settings and you do Ctrl F on your keyboard and you look for background, you can allow virtual background, allow use also video if you want, and you can select here a picture. In this case, we would like you to upload a picture of your city and select it, but in my case it's going to be the AC logo that you can see I have here as a background of Zoom. So when you are in Whova and you click on the Zoom link, you end up here in Zoom. You will be muted. Please keep muted during the session because only the moderator and the speaker will be unmuted. But please keep your camera on because it's much nicer for the speakers to see the faces of the audience. If you want to communicate with the organizers or with another participants, or if you want to send a message to everyone, a comment, a question, you click on chat and you can write your message here. You can select the person you want to send a message to, or if you leave everyone, it will be sent to all participants. You can also react to what the speaker says with the reactions, or here with these buttons. Okay, so remember that we also have a contest. Please take a nice picture, a creative picture with your mug at home and post it on Whova. But if you have taken part also in previous IRC meeting, please post a picture from those nice times so that we can remember and share together also those nice moments. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you on the 24th and 25th of September online for the IRC meeting 2020.